Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I want to share with you this cute bed that I made for my aunt. I started out making a project for her that started out with a living room, and then I got so addicted that I continued on to making a kitchen. I'm working on the bathroom. I'm also making her a bedroom. So for her bedroom, this is the bed, and all this will be shipped to her because she lives far. So what I did was I took some 2 packs of tissue paper and I glued them with this type of glue. You can use any glue that works for you, but this is the glue that I'm using. I glued the 2 packs of tissue to that piece of cardboard that you see. Now, if you don't have one that's pre-cut like that one, you can always get cardboard and cut it to the size of the 2 tissue packs. So once that was glued, the second part was the headboard. See that headboard? In the back of the headboard, you can see it's a piece of cardboard, but I covered it with a piece of decorative paper, thick decorative paper. See the little flowers and everything? So then, once I had the headboard done, I glued it to the other side, to that side of the tissue paper, the tissue packs. So once I had the frame up, the mattresses, everything glued together, then I did the rest. I took some straws. I took a straw and I cut it into that size. So this is the straw that I'm talking about. And if you've seen my video on the project from my aunt, I'm also using these in her fireplace. But this time I also used it for the bed. So I put one on both sides, each side. And I found myself 2 identical buttons. These are buttons, the gold one. And they went in the straw perfectly. They don't even fall off or anything. They're not even glued. And they stay put. Then as those little balls, as the bed decor, I used these push pins that I have. I have a box of Martha Stewart round push pins. So some of them come in gold and blue and some of them are just blue. But for this bed, being that the headboard already has gold, I placed the little blue ones there, and it all blends in with the green too. Then I had 2 pieces of foam, which are these pieces, and they are stuck with glue there. They won't move. So I have the entire bed that I can move around like this, and it won't come apart. It's a heavy-duty bed now. So this is the bed that I made for my aunt. But before that, I want to display it in one of my dollhouse rooms. This is actually a sewing room, but I took away some of the sewing items so that I could show you the bed in here. So why don't we place the bed against the wall here, right there. I'll remove these push pins because I want to be able to show you. I'll remove the glue, and we are left with the room without any supplies. Then I have something else here. Okay. Okay, so this is the room. And look at how beautiful that bed looks in there. It looks so real. Look at that. It's lifted off the floor because of those push pins. Look at that. You can even sweep under the bed. The 2 tissue papers were just perfect together like that. They do make like a king-size bed, if you want to call it that, king-size bed. And look at that headboard. I just love it. I might make one for me because I love it. Look at that. What you can do with push pins, a straw, buttons, you know, just little things. Either little things that you throw out or just tissue packs. These tissue packs, the first time that I saw these tissue packs, that was at the Dollar Tree. And the first time that I saw them, I saw beds. That's what I saw. So I just love this bed, and I needed to share it with you. So let's look at the rest of this room here. There is a picture frame there, black and white. It's just a picture that I got at one of those flea markets. But look at the beautiful frame. Then here, remember, I go to flea markets, yard sales, and thrift shops, and that's where I find a lot of these cute, unique items, like this dresser here, and the drawers do open. The little stool did not come with it, but it just works perfect in there. Then I added some other little things, like that white little marble piece. I took a black marker and I made the markings. So it looks just like a little, maybe jewelry box on top of the dresser. Then I took a little mini bear, put it on the dresser, the little lamp. Then I have more up here. This, I made all this. I mean, the corner one there is a lipstick. Then the green one is a cap from the Christmas lights. That one there is a button. But all that makes cute little decor. And of course, the walls here are from decorative paper. The red, the green. Then I have a mirror here from the Dollar Tree. You can get like 2 of these in a pack at the Dollar Tree. And you can see the entire room through here. Look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? Then I have 2 handmade bags. One of them, the white one, is made from foam and a little clip. And I used a marker for the black markings. And then the brown one was part of a toy. Like, I'm not sure what it was, but it's plastic. I just took the fabric, the red and black white fabric, and I just wrapped it around, and now it looks like a handbag. This closet here came this way with that artwork. Look at how beautiful that is. That butterfly was from a Sweet 16 that I went to a while back. So the door opens to this closet. And there are things in there. You can see the fabric, a little basket with fabric and sewing material. And I also found this part, which is actually for a 1.12 scale room. It's too big, but it still works because it just looks like a big table there, and that's where I usually have the sewing machine, because this room is supposed to be the sewing room. I just changed it up a little bit so that I could share that bed with you in here. So these drawers do open. It's just one drawer that opens. See? Then this lamp is from Hobby Lobby. It actually does work. Right now I'm not sure if it's plugged. I don't think it's plugged, but... And then I have this little cute little single sofa here. Then this other piece, I have 2 of these. These I bought at a yard sale. They open up. It's supposed to be like a little gift box for a ring. But being that this is the sewing room, I have it in there for the sewing supplies. And then look at the beautiful door to this house. And this is a battery operated light from the Dollar Tree using 3 AAA batteries. The flooring is also from the decorative pads that I have. And these 2 little slippers here are part of a chain charm. See the little loop there? They belonged to a chain, but I just removed them to place them in here. And I think that that's it. I think that I went over everything. So the main item in this bedroom is that beautiful bed that I made for my aunt. I hope that you feel inspired to maybe create one just like that one. I'm very proud of it because it's cute, came out very nice. and she's going to love it. Alrighty, well, I think that this will be it for now. Thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.